just us two, me and you.
It's so pretty, guys.
Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh,
Happy Diwali, guys.
From both of us.
can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms.
Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So this video is really special because it's going to be about Diwali. So today is Dhanteras. I don't know, there's a lot of confusion going on regarding the dates. Some are celebrating Dhanteras on Thursday, some on Friday, and some are celebrating Diwali on Sunday and some on Saturday. I have no idea why, but we are gonna celebrate Dhanteras today, that is Friday, and tomorrow Saturday, Diwali. Also guys, look at the weather today. I mean, I can actually see brightness and there's sun. Otherwise the weather here is not that great right now. I mean, there's thick a layer of clouds all the time over the sky, and it's really gloomy. But yes, I'm happy about the weather today, and yes, I am just gonna start with my usual routine, we're drinking wheatgrass, eating fruits, and then I have to start doing some final cleaning around the house. It's gonna be a fun Dhanteras and a very fun Diwali. Keep watching.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? Was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You said my words.
So guys, I'm at the storage section. Let's begin cleaning. But before that, I really want you guys to meet somebody. Not a new family member that is human, but a new family member that is a vacuum cleaner. Never in my life I thought that I would be so obsessed with a vacuum cleaner, and Henry has been such a good friend of mine. So Henry is a vacuum cleaner, and it's like the cheapest in the market and works really amazing. I have done a lot of research, and at the end I just thought that Henry would be suitable for a house. It is bulky, but it does the work. And I had a cordless vacuum cleaner earlier. It was really expensive, like I had spent around 280 pounds on it, and it would shut down like in 5 minutes, and it would heat up all the time. It just didn't work well, and I'm so amazed that this model that I bought right now is so cheap, and I mean sucks up everything. I am such a big fan, and I'm super obsessed with this vacuum cleaner. Let me show you guys. Hi Henry, look at this vacuum cleaner. I mean, oh my gosh, look at how cute he is. And guys, he works so well. Let's start cleaning.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my
So why do we clean our house before Diwali? It's a popular Hindu belief that goddess Lakshmi resides in cleanliness. So when your surrounding is clean, when your house is clean, goddess Lakshmi would love to shower her blessings on that house. So that's the reason why we all love cleaning our house before Diwali, and also all around the year, because cleanliness is really important. I really love these kind of rituals and customs. There's a meaning to it, and that's the reason why I love following it as much as I can. So talking about Henry, if you want to buy that particular model of Henry that I have, I would link it in the description box, and you can buy it off Amazon. So guys, it's just been 1 hour since we had our lunch. Yes, we just made and had our lunch throughout the afternoon. I was also clicking Instagram stories and posting it. I had some PR packages, so yeah, I was just uploading some Instagram stories. And if you guys don't follow me there, make sure that you follow me. I post regularly life updates and behind the scenes there as well, and a lot of information and recommendations there. So yes, make sure that you follow me there. Look at outside. I mean, it's dark already, although we have got these fairy lights and a lamp, so it somehow, you know, lightens up the whole room. But I don't really like during this time of the year when the, you know, when the evenings get really dark. I mean, during summer times till 9 o'clock at night we can see the daylight, but right after September it starts to, you know, decrease, and soon by just 4 o'clock in the evening it starts getting dark. So I'm just gonna light some diyas. Since it's Dhanteras evening, I'm gonna light some diyas, and then we are gonna visit some Indian shops so that we can buy some Indian items for our Diwali puja tomorrow. Celebrate Diwali at Canary Wharf. Guys, inspired by a rangoli design and also lights everywhere, Canary Wharf has installed a lot of beautiful rangoli style, you know, floral installations throughout Jubilee Place. I mean, it's so beautiful and so marvelous. Like, you know, the floral installations are floating on the water, and it's really pretty. I mean, this is like the most sweetest gesture by Canary Wharf, and I feel so happy. I mean, they are celebrating Diwali here in London, and I mean, look at all the installations and also all the lightings. It's super pretty, guys. So guys, this is the Indian store where we are gonna buy all the Indian essentials. Let's go. What a day. So guys, we are back home and I am gonna unpack all the things and then go to sleep. Tomorrow morning I'll show you guys what all the things that I bought today. So see you tomorrow, that is Diwali day. Hi guys, so it's Diwali day and as you can see I'm wearing Indian attire with all the Indian accessories. I'm super excited for today. So yesterday we found all the things that we wanted, and I kept few of the things that were groceries, but I'll show you guys some decoration related stuff. Yes, I just bought few candles and tea lights and mithai. Wait, I'll show you guys. So these are the rangoli colors. It was £1 each, and these are actually holy colors. I don't really like it much because when you do the rangoli, it doesn't really come out well. But yes, this is all that we found yesterday, so gonna manage it with this. Here is really beautiful candle diyas. I got it for 2.49. Some tea lights, and here is haldiram mithai that we got. It has got motichur laddu and moong dal barfi, and yeah, different kind of sweets. It's like an assortment. Sparklers, full jari. So we will start putting up this light, and yes, actually it just dropped down and we need to put it again. Here we have this fairy lights, and we have some more fairy lights which we are gonna put up today. But guys, look at the weather. It's super rainy, and that's what I don't really like about, you know, today. We wanted to put up lights outside, but since it's rainy, I don't really think we are gonna manage to put that up. But that's okay. We are just gonna, you know, concentrate on rest of the lightings.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me.
So guys, I made a very cute rangoli. Actually, the rangoli color that I got was more like a holy color, so I couldn't actually make something really beautiful. So somehow I used the old rangoli colors that were really you know, in small amount, and I just used it and made a flower out of it. But yeah, it still looks cute. And now it's time to light all the diyas. Let's do it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you
It's time to
had
get
colors.
ready.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do?
So guys, we are done with the Diwali puja, and now it's time to eat all the prasad. That is laddu, oh my god, and gulab jamun. I mean, it's been months since I had a proper Indian sweet, so yes, I'm gonna binge. Not so much, but yes. And yeah, I just hope that this light brings prosperity and happiness in the lives of all of you. And I just pray today that, you know, this coronavirus just, you know, vanishes, and we all stay healthy and happy, and all our loved ones also stay healthy and happy. So happy Diwali, guys,
from both of us.
Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.